Hi, this is Luke Russell here with Trade Algo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions such as banks and hedge funds trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at Trade Algo, our AI is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities with the most unusual signals of volume in these private exchanges, so you can more confidently and successfully trade following smart money transactions. And the same thing applies to the trending downside of the equation, of course, in the small, the mid, and in the large cap spaces. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending up side of the equation, as today obviously was a very bullish day. I want you guys to see how FDX pops up on our system here with a 200% increase in institutional bullish pressure. No surprises, the stock jumps over 5% as a result, which is obviously a massive move for something like FedEx. You can see the perfect climb all the way from the beginning of the morning, 187 all the way up to 194. Now, the reason our AI was picking it up is because typically only $99 million of the stock is traded on a day-by-day average. Today, it was over $201 million. Well, it's important to get access to that information early. That's why we use AI to track the private exchange networks. At 8:32 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, our AI picks up on the fact that there's nearly triple the average amount of trending up volume than is normally seen there. If you had done options transactions on FDX, I want you guys to go ahead and take a look at the huge list of triple-digit winners right in front. 800% returns, 900%, 500%. Let's say, for example, you had gone with like the 192.5 or the 195. Lots of open interest, plenty of liquid opportunities. And we're going to keep it on the 15-minute chart. Our AI picks it up in the pre-market, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The options are at 39 cents. At its maximum, that's a 440% return. But 440% is amazing. Imagine getting 100% out of that, 200% out of that, because you're not going to squeeze all 440% out of it. However, maybe you made a trade at like 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and maybe you got out at a bad dip early a little bit later on. That's still a 105% return. So the whole purpose is getting the information down here instead of getting it up here or up here or up here. So that way you have longer to react and potential more profitability in between. And it wasn't just FedEx, many other opportunities today. Awesome day in the market. However, obviously we don't have time for all of them. So let's take a look at ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil had a 176% increase in institutional trending up activity. No surprises when it jumps over 3.5% as a result. Again, what our AI is doing is it's going through and it's identifying, for example, typically $856 million of the stock is traded on a daily basis. Today it was over $1.5 billion. Important to get that information early. Our AI is always constantly tracking the best trading opportunities and the most unusual signals of private exchange volume. ExxonMobil is identified at 952. So let's go to the ExxonMobil options chain chart. And let's take a look at these huge triple-digit movers. Now remember, it was 9:52 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So what we're going to do is go to the 1-minute chart. We're going to come out all the way down here. And you can see that this is 9:52 a.m. Eastern Standard Time when options are about 63 cents. And then all the way up at its maximum, that's a 256% return. You could see how at the beginning of the day, options are kind of trading sideways, and then when big smart money gets interested, it's off to the races from there. Again, get the information down here, don't get it up here or over there towards the end of the day. 256% is amazing. Maybe you didn't enter the trade for, 10, 15 minutes late. Maybe you got out at a bad exit. Still a 106% return, guys. The whole point is to take 8 steps forward and 2 steps back. Let's go ahead and finish off today with just one more example. I want you guys to see how Roku popped up on our system with a huge signal of increased trending up volume. 180% of what's normally there. Stock ends up jumping 5.5% as a result. And then let's go see when the AI identified it. 8:57 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 1.63 times the average amount of volume. If you had done transactions on Roku options, again, in the triple-digit space. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at Trade Algo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.